So you want to set up a social media experience for your business. What's the best approach to take? Well, it's important to choose the correct type of social media offering for your business. Most businesses today are active on more than one social channel, so you'll probably want to set up a few different accounts. But whatever channels you choose, you'll need to create a profile. It's important to choose the business version for your company profile. To complete your company profile, you'll need to create and upload assets, including profile pictures and cover photos. Always aim to choose images that depict your brand. This could be your logo or a variation of your logo with people included. When it comes to a cover photo, ensure there is a focal point to the photo. Include light CTAs like phone numbers or recent offers and ensure these are changed regularly so they're not out of date. It's best practice not to blend your cover photo with the profile pic as they have different functions. However, you can draw attention to social media CTA buttons in your cover photo. As profile pics are on the left side, consider a left side focus to your cover photo and see what it looks like on mobile devices. To complete your company profile, you'll also need to write a bio to introduce your business and what you do. It's essential to match the tone of the social channel and its audience to your bio. Consider how to position the content you share on that channel. Some social channels allow you to include a contact details section and links to your website. Include these where possible. The key is to think about who you are talking to, how they like to be communicated with on this channel, and how you can engage them with your words. So take the time to fill in all of the sections with the customer in mind. Be sure to completely fill out your company profile on all the social channels you're using, and try to keep the information you post as consistent as possible across all the sites. You may be having conversations with the same people on multiple platforms, so you'll want to position your brand in a way that's easy to recognize and encourages further reach.